Hello kids, welcome. How are you today? I hope you're in good health. This is our English class online and I'm your English teacher, Teacher Glean. Today, we'll have our lesson again, okay? Last week, we have our last lesson, so let's review them. Big letter A, small letter A is for apple. Apple. Okay, so you see the apple. Let's read this one. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. An apple a day, that's what they say. Okay, you remember? Okay, now we have also words that we have learned last week. So let's review, okay? What is this? An ant. An ant. An axe. An axe. What is this? An alligator. An alligator. An airplane. An airplane. Today we will learn new letter. Letter B. Big letter B. Small letter B is for banana. Banana. Let's repeat. Big letter B. Small letter B is for banana. Banana. Okay? Now let's read this rhyme. Okay? A banana for you. A banana for you. How is it? Okay. So the mom is giving a banana to the child. A banana for me. Okay. That is you are eating a banana. A banana for me. A banana for monkey. A banana for monkey. Up in a tree. Okay? Okay, let's repeat. A banana for you. A banana for me. A banana for monkey. Up in a tree. Okay? Now let's have new words today, okay? A bag. A bag. A basket. A basket. Again, a bag. A bag. A basket. A basket. Two more words, okay? A bee. A bee. A butterfly. A butterfly. Let's repeat. A bee. A bee. A butterfly. A butterfly. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for listening and watching this video. See you again. Bye.